All right, today we're going to check out the brand new Govee Floor Lamp 3. And honestly, on the ads, it talked about the double-sided skyline illumination, and my mind went straight to the Govee Skyline kit. That's not what this is. And while this double-sided skyline illumination wasn't what I initially thought it was, I'm still not disappointed, because this product here has a few special touches. Stick around. Full transparency, Govee sent me this Floor Lamp 3 as an affiliate sample to test out for you guys. Again, when I read the double-sided skyline illumination, my mind went straight to the Skyline kit. That you mount to either side of a ceiling, connect with an aluminum bar, the strip goes inside. I didn't really know how that would work on this lamp, and clearly I didn't need to worry about that because they did something different. So this is the Floor Lamp 3, and this is the double-sided Skyline. If you've seen the Floor Lamp 2, you already know the basic design. It's a base with a pole and a diffused light strip that faces the wall. In the Floor Lamp 3, they made some changes. You see, we have a wider diffused light strip, and you can see light from both sides. 170-degree viewing angle. Rather than being round, it's kind of got an oblong shape. It's the same height, same concept as the Floor Lamp 2, just with some very nice improvements. What does this double skyline illumination do? You get a wider spread. The Floor Lamp 2 had a tighter throw of light. It hit the wall and kind of just stopped. The 3 spreads that light farther out, so you get a wider wash of color across more of the room. So, double-sided skyline illumination is really just Govee's way of saying, we made the diffuser light wider. This really makes a big difference in how much of your room gets lit by the floor lamp. This is the thing. Let me walk you through what's actually different from the Floor Lamp 2 and the Floor Lamp 3, because there's really more here than just a wider throw of light. First, and this is the one that genuinely makes a huge difference, it's Govee's LumiBlend technology, and it has nothing to do with the diffuser. LumiBlend is Govee's color accuracy technology, and I want to show you what that actually means. Because honestly, most people will just show you that the light gets bright, or all the fancy RGB IC techniques that the lamps do, and this one does them amazingly. So often most colors look fantastic on any strip light at 80, 90, 100% brightness, and so does this one. But where LumiBlend truly wins is when you bring the light down from 1% all the way up to 100%. Green stays green, blue stays blue. It gets dimmer, but you don't lose the depth of color. So honestly, aside from the wider throw of light, the difference between the Govee Floor Lamp 2 and Floor Lamp 3 is when I dim the Floor Lamp 3, my colors stay true. So often, as you drop colors down to 10%, 5% for the nighttime, your blues turn purple, reds turn pink, things just get washed out. We can go from 100% rich, deep blue and bring it all the way down. Still a deep, rich blue. Blue at 1% is the same blue at 100%, just not as bright. The color accuracy actually holds across the entire spectrum. And that's LumiBlend doing its thing. On most floor lamps and strip lights without LumiBlend, low brightness settings is just mood lighting you tolerate. This one actually looks good doing it. Second thing about this floor lamp, the Kelvin range. That's the warmth temperature of whites. This here is 1000 Kelvin. It's actually a true white, it's not orange. Most floor lamps are 2600 to 6500 Kelvin scale, just nice neutral whites. This goes from 1000 all the way to 10,000 Kelvin. This is a nice, crisp, pure white. And this lamp has the new Day Sync feature, which can adjust the lighting automatically throughout your day based on weather and time, creating a nice ambiance in your room. The third difference of this lamp, this remote. It's the same remote, but on previous models, you could place the remote anywhere along the pole that you wanted. On this one, it's got a little hat, so it can only go at the top. It is still magnetic, it's very useful. I love that it has a remote, but your placement options are limited. So if this is next to a bed and you're laying down, it's very possible that you cannot reach it easily. Previously, you could place it wherever was convenient for you. And the fourth change, I kind of like this one, but we're gonna have to get low to see it. So this is kind of one of my favorite changes. It's small. The Floor Lamp 2 has this ring of light along the bottom, so does the 3. But this one added just a small little strip of light around the top of the base. Gives a nice subtle glow. It's a small detail, but it makes the lamp look way more premium. When the lights are dimmed, it's one of those things you don't think about. Number 5, the higher lumens. The Floor Lamp 3 is brighter at the top end of the scale, and it's a visible difference. I'll include some side-by-sides. So if you're using this lamp as one of your primary room lightings, the increased lumens is definitely gonna be a welcome sight. If you're finding this useful, I would really appreciate a like and follow. It genuinely helps out my channel. So let's put this all together. So who is this lamp actually for? I think it comes down to one question. Do you already have a floor lamp 2? Because if you do, the Floor Lamp 3 is better in every measurable way. Wider light throw along the wall, way better color accuracy at low brightness, expanded Kelvin range, 1000 to 10,000, dual lighting at the base, higher lumens. Honestly, the only thing that you lose from going from the Floor Lamp 2 to the Floor Lamp 3 is the ability to put the remote wherever you want. And honestly, that's very minor. If you don't have either of these, this is the way to go. The LumiBlend color accuracy alone is worth it, and the wider 170-degree angle of light is something you notice every time you turn it on. I came into this expecting the skyline lighting experience and walked away with something different, but honestly, this is something more practical. These are real upgrades that actually matter when you live with this lamp every day. Sometimes the best smart home devices aren't the loudest ones. Please follow and like if you want more real-world lighting tests like this.